Then I'm going for the second option. I'm clicking color. In that, there are some colors given here. Using this color, I can search the car. Suppose I'm clicking this red color. All the images are in red color. Suppose if I want purple color car, then I'm clicking purple. You can get purple color car. So likewise, you can search images on Google by color also. If I want green, then it goes for green color card. I think you are clear with these two things. So when I'm going to Google, I'm typing car, and then I'm selecting these images, clicking the images. I'm getting different types of car. If I want to search by its color or by its size, then I have to go for tools. I'm clicking here, and then I can select by size, by color, and then the third one is usage rights. So this is the point we have to read this one. The first one is label for reuse with modification. Second one is label for reuse. Third one is label for non-commercial reuse with modification. Label for non-commercial reuse. So these are all the types of copyrights. Here you can select any one of these four options. Then only you can download copyright free images. See here, when you are clicking this image, you should see from where it is coming. From where? See here, it is from wired.com. Here it is youtube.com. So we don't know whether these images are copyrighted or copyright free images. To find the copyright free images, you have to select any four of these. So label for reuse, it means you can use the image without any modification. Suppose if I'm saving this car, I'm clicking here, see. So these are all copyright free images. You can use this image. This can be reused. Suppose if I want to use for non-commercial use, for schools and all, you can select this one. I'm clicking label for non-commercial reuse, and then I'm getting these images. See, this one gone to moves to the second one. And then when you want to change its color or dimension size, you have to go for the first one, label for reuse with modification. That means you can reuse and you can remodify it according to your wish, according to your. So out of this, you can filter copyright free images. And then when you are moving to the third one, this one is type. I'm clicking type. You will be getting different types of images type. First one is clip art. Clip art means it's like graphics. It's like cartoonistic. If you need line drawing, you will get images. And then if you are going for GIF, it will have some movements. I'm clicking this one. So it will have some little animations. So these are called GIF images, GIF. So in the type, you can select different type. Suppose if I need a car with transparent background. Suppose if I need transparent background, then I have to type car PNG. It means the car background will be transparent so that you can use it in your banner. If you want to go for images without any background, then type car and type with PNG. Add PNG. That is one format of images. It is another format of images. And then when you are going for the fourth one, this one is time. So, time. Using this, you can select latest cars which have uploaded for the past 24 hours. These are the images uploaded. I think we can go for any time. That will be fine. And there is also another option here, settings. This option helps us to do safe search. So I'm clicking search filters, turn on safe search. It means it will block our some inappropriate images, explicit images from Google search. So I'm clicking this one, and then I'm going down and I'm saving. It means explicit images, inappropriate images will not appear whenever we are searching. So these things we have to look after it. Whenever we are going, when we are giving, when you are presenting to the students, it's better we have to go for settings, go for search settings, click turn on search search. After that, go down and click save. So you can search images, find copyright free images by clicking the tools and then going for the third option, usage rights. If you find it's difficult to search copyright free images, there is one website called Pixabay. That website gives you copyright free images. There are many websites. Preferably, we can go for Pixabay. I'm typing Pixabay. I'm closing this one. I'm closing this one also. I'm typing here Pixabay. I have typed this one, and then I'm clicking on the first item, Pixabay 1 point, this one. I'm clicking this URL. I'm getting this screen. Okay, now I'm going to search for a lion. I'm simply typing here lion, and then here images. I'm clicking, I'm pressing enter. Here I am getting lots of images of lion. Here there are some lion. These are all copyrighted. These are all advertisement from Shutterstock. So you should not select this one. This one is ad. See here, it is mentioned here, sponsored image from Shutterstock. So you should never select these images. Scroll down, and then from here, these are all the images from the website Pixabay. You can click on any image. I'm clicking here, and then this side there is an option free download. I'm clicking free download. I'm getting the dimension, the pixels. More than 1000 pixels are good for images. I can select this one or select this one, either 3. I'm selecting this one, and then I'm clicking download. If I go for, okay, I'm going for the mid-range. I'm clicking download here. And then the pop-up, this dialog box open. In that, click I am not a robot. Click download. See here the images got downloaded. This image, see, I have downloaded. So I'm redoing it. Suppose if I want to search again, I can simply go here, and then I search for tiger, and then I'm clicking enter. These are all photos. Here is also some of the categories are given here. You can select the orientation, horizontal or vertical. See, the photos are vertical. Suppose if I am clicking vertical, it shows in a portrait mode.
Trees or something.
And then you can select by category, by size. You can specify some size and do, and then you can go for any color. So the green colors will be more. So I am clearing the filters. So you can easily download images from Pixabay. It is free. You no need to sign up here. You no need to log in. You can simply go there and then click on the image and then go for free download. And then you click free download. Click download. A pop-up window comes. In that, click I am not a robot, and then click download. Your image automatically gets downloaded. The next one is Creative Commons. The next one is Creative Commons. Please note it down. I'm closing this one, and then I'm going to type Creative Commons. Creative Commons images. and then I am clicking here. You should not click this one. See here, it is mentioned AD. AD means that one is advertisement. You have to see the web link. See www. This is Red Bull. So you should not select this one. We have searched for Creative Commons. And scroll down. See here, ccsearch.creativecommons.org. Click this one. Here, what can I would like to type for a bus. I'm clicking for a bus. I get different types of buses here. I'm clicking load mode. If you need any images, I'm clicking this image. I'm right clicking it and I'm doing save images. It's automatically gets saved. What I'm doing, see here, I'm going for Creative Commons images or CC search. CC search.creative commons. I'm clicking on it. I'm typing train and then I'm clicking enter. You get images. If you need, you can click on load more results. Suppose if I need this one, I'm clicking on it. To save it, I'm right clicking on it. Click save images. There is also another website, Pexel. Please note it down. And there is also another Flickr spelling right. Let me check. Right, Flickr. These are all the websites. Please note it down. Using this, you can get copyright-free images. The first one is Pixabay. Second one is Creative Commons. Third one is Pexel. And then the fourth one is Flickr. The next one is, now we are going to search where to find copyright-free music. Where to find the copyright music. Generally, we download from any cine background musics or from YouTube. But there are some websites where you can easily get copyright-free music and effects. Suppose if you need a cat moving sound, we don't know where to get. Suppose if you want to teach the want to show the roaring lion, you need the roar sound. You don't know where to get. Okay, now I'm going to tell you one website where you can get background music. And later on, we will see how to get sound effects. The first one is Bensound. The first one is Bensound. Please note it down. I'm typing Bensound. I am clicking on royalty free music by Bensound. Here is play button. I am clicking on it. Sir, whether this music is audible? That, sir? Sir, the music which I am playing is audible, sir?
Simon, it's audible.
Yes.
Okay. Screen share you try to do. Some of them are saying in live stream they are not able to see your screen. Better again you share your screen. Okay.
I'm sharing only, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then proceed. Some of them have given the comments. We are not able to see the screen. Okay, you proceed then. If you are sharing, then it's fine. Resume your presentation with you.
Okay, let me share again.
Better, yes. Better share your screen again.
Sir?
Yes, yes, you can proceed.
Yes. Okay, in this, I'm playing the summer music. So you can use this type of sounds for creating photo stories. Suppose if I need this sound. Suppose if you need this sound, you no need to sign up here. You can just click the download and then click the download button. The thing what we have to give is the attribution. The attribution is music www.bensound.com. That's all. I'm clicking this download button. The music gets downloaded. I'm clicking this music. It's in the format of MP3. Okay. Suppose if I need a sad music, then you can go here and type sad, and then I am clicking search. I'm getting sad music. So don't click on this one. This and all. This music has to be purchased. See here.
Hello, Simon.
Wherever it is mentioned, download. Yes, sir.
Simon, இது வரல பாருங்க.
Screen.
வரலையே. திருப்பி இது பண்ணுங்க. வாய்ஸ் வரல. Yes.
Sir, இப்போ கேக்குதா? Am I audible? Sir, am I audible? கேக்குதா?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
It's not streaming now.
Hello.
Hello. I think some issues with the Simon presentation. We'll wait for some time. He'll be rejoining shortly.
Yes, yes, sir.
Net connection.
Sir.
Please wait for some time.
Sir, இப்போ கேக்குதா இந்த? Okay, let me rejoin again.
We have created new official email IDs to all the teachers. So you can enter.
Sir, join பண்ணிட்டேன்.
You are joined again. Okay, okay. I will inform later. You can proceed, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whether can you see my screen?
Yes. You can proceed, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, suppose if I need a sad song, music, I'm typing here sad, and then I'm
You
clicking search.
share your screen, sir.
Sir, I'm sharing, sir. Is it visible? Sir,
No, it's not visible. Again, you try to share.
sir, someone is sharing. Streaming கொஞ்சம் லேட் ஆகுதா சார்? Is it visible now? Please type a message in chat box. Is it visible? Whether my screen is visible? Okay, thank you. Now, sir? Okay. Here, I am typing sad in the search box. And then, see, I am getting some sad music. Okay. Suppose if I need a happy music, then I go for happy. You can search. Okay. Here you no need to log in. You can simply, suppose if you need this sound, then click on download, and there is an option download here. The thing what you have to remember is you have to give attribution. You have to give music by Bensound, www.bensound.com. I'm clicking download here. It gets automatically downloaded. Okay. The next one, what we are going to see is free sfx.co.uk. Here in this website, you can get all the effects. More than there are 100 millions of sound effects are there in this website. Please note it down. Free SFX, freesfx.co.uk. I'm going to Google again. I am typing free SFX. I'm clicking enter. See here, free sfx.co.uk. I'm clicking this free SFX. I'm getting this screen. In this, you have to sign up. To sign up, see here, there is an option, join now. Click on this option and then type your first name and type your last name and then type your email address. And then go for with your password, which has to match, and then password does not match. Okay, and then click this checkbox, tick button, and click register. Right. So to register, you have to go for join now. Go for join now. No, sir. Sir, class. Here I am getting, I am clicking join now, and I am taking, giving the details, and then I click register. Then now I am going to log in. I am logging in. Here there are lots of sound given here. Suppose if I'm clicking the baby, okay, let me go for the crying sound. Okay, babies. I'm clicking on babies, scrolling down. Here the baby crying hard. I'm clicking here. You can click download. Logged in. Oh, what happened here? One నిమిషం. Please be online.
Simon, any
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. You can just tell them.
Yes, sir. Yeah, okay. Now I have logged in. I'm clicking. Sir, visible are sir screen? Okay.
Yes.
Here I am getting the sounds. So I am clicking the crashes, glass sound. This breaking. Suppose if I need this sound, I am clicking download. It automatically gets downloaded. Okay. Suppose if I need a lion sound, I'm going here. I'm typing lion. I'm typing here lion. I'm getting this lion sound. I'm playing here. Lion roaring page.
Sound we are not able to hear.
Yes, sir.
That sound you are playing, we are not able to hear.
Yeah. So earlier, that glass breaking.
Earlier also. Yeah, we are not able to hear that line sound.
Glass breaking, sir.
Yes, we are not able to
No,
hear.
sir. I'm asking about glass breaking also.
Okay, you check it, try again.
Sir, glass breaking. Did you hear, sir?
No, you try again.
Not even a single sound is audible,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Earlier also in Ben sound also.
No, we couldn't hear any sound.
In Ben sound also. When I'm
Okay, you can continue. Sound will be.
No problem. Please
No problem.
continue.
You can continue. You continue.
Yeah. We are getting the context actually.
Context,
okay.
yes.
Okay. You can download any music from here. Suppose even for car door, I'm clicking car door here, searching for car door. See here, car door close sound, car door open sound. So you will be getting all types of sound effects in this website. So you can show it, you can create e-content on your own using this music. Okay, here they are not having not only these effects, they are having music also. See, in music, they are having some music tracks. Using these tracks, you can get background music. So for children, I am clicking. Let me move down. So I'm clicking this one. Suppose if I like this music, I'm clicking this download option. That's all. So it's getting downloaded. And then the next one is YouTube audio library. Please note it down. YouTube audio library. Okay, I'm going to Google again. I'm typing YouTube audio library and then I'm clicking enter. The first thing you will be getting youtube.com audio library music. Click on YouTube library. Here also you will be getting lots of music. Suppose if I'm playing this one. Okay, suppose I'm using this, I like this sound means, then I can go here and click download. If I click this download, automatically it gets downloaded. For YouTube, you no need to sign in. Just if you have a Gmail account, you can download any music from here. And also you can filter here by genre, by mood, what type of music and what type of instrument you need, and the duration level, and also the attribution. And here is also another option. Here also there are some sound effects given. Just I am playing one sound. Okay, I will show it. I think now it's audible. Okay.
No, it's a feeble. We got the context.
Okay. Here I am clicking download. This sound effects gets downloaded. See, I am doing it again. Simply go to Google and type YouTube audio library. Click on it. Go for YouTube audio library. Then you will be getting lots of music You can filter by mood. I'm clicking calm, and then you will get and then you can click download. Suppose if you need sound effects, click on sound effects and then go down. You can select here by category, the ambient sound, animal sound you can get. I'm clicking on animal and then animal growl sound. And then click download. Okay. And then we are going for the third, another music. That one is from Facebook Sound Collection. These are all the musics and sound which are all copyright free. You can use it. Simply you have to give, what you have to give is just give attribution. This music is taken from Facebook Sound Collection or YouTube Audio Library or free SFX or from that bin sound. Facebook Sound Collection. I'm going again to Google, to Chrome browser, and then I'm typing Facebook. Facebook Sound Collections.
Present the screen. Screen present.
Present தான் சார் பண்றேன்.
No, it's not. We are not. Once again, you present.
ஒரு டைம் இது போயிட்டு வரமா கட் ஆயிடுது.
Okay, இல்ல someone in between have presented. That is the issue. You again present. Please, other participant, please don't present your screen. I request other participant not to present the screen.
Okay, I think it's visible now.
Yes.
Okay, go to Google and type Facebook Sound Collection. And then click enter, and then you will be getting like this Facebook Sound Collection. Click on it. For this, you have to sign in. Please wait for 1 minute. Sir.
You can talk and then.
Please be 1 minute, sir. Some problem.
Sometimes if you present your screen again, we are facing difficulty. This is because of securities issue. We have come to the Google Suite. It is not so user friendly. So we are planning to, because of security reasons, we are Google Suite is also updating now. We will be getting a better version in times to come. But Zoom, we had very good options, whereas security issue was there in Zoom. So,
Yes,
we have come to Google Suite.
Yes.
So this will be sorted out in few times by Google. Okay. Now I think Simon can present.
Yes. Okay. I'm going for Facebook Sound Collection. I have signed in. See here. Here also I am getting music. Suppose if I need this music, I can click this download button. It automatically gets downloaded. So I'm canceling this one. This one is 65 MB. If I need sound effects, then go for click sound effects, and then you will get sound effects here. You can also search sound effects by its category. I need cartoon sound. Okay, once again I'm doing, and also you can again you can select track, you can go for sound effects, you can download, you click this down arrow button, and then this music gets downloaded. Okay. Okay, today we have seen, from first we have seen how to search in Google. Just I recapitulate it. Go for Google. I'm typing for car, and then I need a car image. I'm clicking this image, and I'm going for tools, and then I can select by size or change it by its color, and then I have to filter by label for reuse. This one is a good option, and then go for a type if you need, and then type. And then the next one what we have seen is Pixabay. I'm typing Pixabay, going inside Pixabay, and then typing for any image. Then I'm getting images. Don't select this one. Scroll down, click on it, and then select the free download option, and then again download. Click I am not a robot, and then click download. It gets downloaded. And then the next one is Creative Commons images. Going to Creative Commons, click on it, and then search for any image. Go down, and then you can select. And there are also filters here at the side. You can see here. You can also filter by license. And then for music, remove for Bensound. Type Bensound, click on Bensound, and then go there and click download. And you can also search here.
Simon, you can present again. Someone has shared, you present it. So please, those who are joining, don't share your presentation here. Request, you do presentation again. Last one.
From Bensound.
Yes. Last few one. You can proceed. Yes. It's presenting.
Okay.
Now you can proceed.
Okay. Here, I'm going for Bensound, and then here I can simply click download, and then I can get download to play the music. Here is the play button. You can select. So this is, I think now you could able to hear the sound little bit, right?
No. What is the issue in that sound? I will tell you.
Okay.
It is only screen sharing actually. Participant cannot hear sound. If they want to hear, host have to play with the sound.
Microphone.
No, I am showing with the microphone. Microphone.
No. We will discuss later. You continue.
Okay, sir. Okay, here, and then if you want to search by specific category, go for sad or happy and whatever you like, and you can click download. And then here you have to give attribution that this music is taken from this website. And then the next one is go for free SFX. Go for free SFX. And then register. And then after that you can select any sound. Ambulance. Small. Then to download, click download button. The audio gets downloaded. And then the next one is YouTube. YouTube audio library. And then go for it. Here you will get lots of music and there is sound effects option also. And then click this download button to download the music. And then the next one is go for Facebook sound collection. And then you will get like this. Here you can simply okay, we have made one Google form. Hello.
Simon, you can recapitulate.
Yes, sir, that's all, sir.
Please don't unmute your audios. We are trying to unmute your again and again you are mute.
Okay, today we have seen how to...
Please, madam. Please, madam. Sunita Chandrika.
Today we have learned how to find copyright-free images and where to get images and the music where we can download for free. Okay, today there will be I'm going to give you a three work which you have to do. After completing this one, here the first one is Google search, find a lotus in blue color and upload. So this form, sir, are we sending the form, sir, Google form? Sir? The first question is, you will be getting the Google form like this. In that you have to give your name, these details. And after that you will be having three questions. The first one is Google search and find lotus. Go to Google and search and find lotus in blue color and upload. You have to search by color in Google. The second one is search in Pixabay and find any one mode of transportation and upload here. To upload, you can click this one and you can attach the file. And then this one, go for airplane. Search for airplane. Okay. Third one, search for airplane sound effects in any sound platform. Maybe in Bensound or in Free SFX or from Facebook collection. Search for airplane means it's a airplane. Search for airplane and then you can upload. And then after that you can submit. Okay, the first one is you have to go for Google search and search lotus by its color. That color what I have asked is in blue color. And then the second one is you have to go into Pixabay and find any one mode of transportation And then the third option is search airplane sound effect. That means aeroplane sound effect in any copyright-free sound. You can go for free effects, free SFX, or else Ben Sound, or else Google Facebook sound collection. You can go. Thank you. That's all for today, sir. I thank Directorate of School Education for giving me this opportunity. Tomorrow we will be having a good session, another one session, how to create posters and browsers for our school. And I request we will be sending this Google form. If you wish,
link click cheste direct ga veltadu annadu. Call ke number click chepnadu. Hello, voice matladu.
Sir, look it, sir. Okay. Okay. I think there is some issue with George's connection. I request this. Yes, I don't know. I request everyone to mute their microphone. Sunita Chandrika ma'am, please mute your 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 microphone. Okay. Tomorrow you will be having a session on creation of posters, digital posters and brochures. So that will be an interesting session will be. And then I have informed you the today's work that you will be having 3 questions. That one is find the image, lotus image by its color, blue color, and then go for Pixabay and search any mode of transportation. And then the third one is airplane. Okay, I thank everyone.
Yes, we can talk.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Finish, sir. You can.
Yes. If there are any queries, you can, those who are in the chat room, you can put your queries on the chat, and we will be having a class.
Okay, if anyone has any queries, you can just type in the chat box so that I can answer.
And some issues with connections are also there. That will be sorting out soon. And we have 2 types of platforms here. One platform is video conferencing, and another platform is live streaming. Actually, what we are trying to have live streaming only for the speakers. Since some of them have not got the ID, we are given this video conferencing link to the teachers. Some of the teachers who are interested, we are given the link to this video conferencing. We will be having the link of live streaming. We will be sharing the link for live streaming only for the participants, targeted participants. We will be giving the live streaming here. If any question you want to post, you can post through WhatsApp. I can, Simon, you can give your number and you can give your email ID also. If any queries, you will be clarifying your doubts through WhatsApp and email IDs. I hope you would have.
PNG is portable network graphics. That is the format of image.
Okay, you are answering the queries. What queries? Okay, PNG. Okay. Any other queries you can put on chat or WhatsApp. Simon, better you can type your name and WhatsApp number as well as your email ID. in a word sheet, and then you can show to the teachers. They
Sir,
will be
what I am planning is I have created one Google form, sir.
okay.
If
Okay.
they fill that Google form, they will get certificate within 24 hours automatically.
Okay.
One day completion.
Okay, those who have participated in this program, you can fill the Google form and then you can receive the online certificate also. Online certificate you will be receiving. And one more question, Hema. Hema has put some question. Sir, if possible, kindly make a recorded video. Yes, we have already recording this video. Recording is going on and it will be uploaded in our school education department YouTube. We have created one YouTube channel. If you go to our website, you can see our YouTube channel, even 10 standard classes and science corner. So many videos have been uploaded. Our teachers can view the uploaded videos in our YouTube channel. We will be taking efforts to upload all these videos in our YouTube channel. And Garima Tyagi madam, as we are live streaming using school mail and password, but this can be shared with the teachers. How can they be the participant? Yes, ma'am. Actually, we have created email ID to all the teachers. We are creating. We are in the process of creating. Actually, through the mobile number. Here, message, the employee code will be there, and we have created a separate domain for all our teachers. Separate email ID, whereas it is in the platform of Google. You have to go into Google and then you have to type your email ID. And then password is also given. Individual password will be sent to their numbers, contact numbers. So you can contact through, you can log in through your username and password in the Google. Then you can access whatever information we are sharing about e-content directly. They can click the link and then can join. There is no need for username or password for that particular webinar. So we have created email IDs and password. Those who have not received the email IDs and password, they can get it from a control room. We have started a control room for teachers. 3 teachers have been, 3 officials from Samagra Shiksha have been nominated, and we have circulated through WhatsApp, and we'll share through email also to all inspecting officers, and we will be sharing to all the schools also regarding this creation of email ID. I think I have answered your question. Where do we get the Google Forms? Simon,
Yes,
you can tell about the Google Forms. We will Department of School Education. We have our website. We can post in the Google Form to your email ID. Will be sent to your email ID, or through WhatsApp also it can be shared. Google Forms, all the Google Forms can be shared through WhatsApp and email ID. Any other queries from our teachers? I think those who are live streaming, we are not able to see your queries. So better Simon will answer those queries related to content, e-content development. He will answer the queries. Simon, how you are going to answer? Please, can you share your email ID and password? It will be helpful for teachers.
You can please note it down. This is my WhatsApp number. If you message, I will send you the Google form. You will get the certificate after 24 hours.
Yes.
After completion.
Yes. And I have got one more query from Vesala Jairamaya. Sir, we are getting 1 or 2 links regarding these webinars. We are confused about the link to join the meeting. Please clarify. Sir, in the beginning I told, actually the platform under Google Suite, there are 2 platforms. One platform is video conferencing, another platform is live streaming. Live streaming has been done. Under video conferencing, the participant limitation is only 250 participants are limited under video conferencing. Whereas in live streaming, up to 1 lakh participant can participate in live streaming. So those who want to join, most of the teachers are given link for live streaming alone. Under live streaming, only the pass email, official email ID we are sharing. That is WPTC email ID, the domain. We have created official email ID for teachers. Through that email ID only you can join into live streaming. Whereas video conferencing, any mail ID can be joined only if you give permission. Only the directorate of this website, one who is operating, they can give the permission. Without that, we cannot enter into the video conferencing. So video conferencing will be limited to certain number of people only, not for all the teachers, because all the teachers cannot participate under video conferencing. Only targeted teachers will be under video conferencing. Other teachers should join only through live streaming. Since we are in the beginning phase, we have allowed some of the teachers, those who are interested, we have allowed under video conferencing. I think Kasala Jairamaya sir, I would have clarified your doubt, I think. Any other clarification you can ask through chat, or those who are in the video conferencing can only ask under chat, we are able to see. Others can send your queries to that email ID, or any technical queries you can contact Samagra Siksha. Any technical queries. And I will share that WhatsApp number also, the contact numbers, Mr. Vinod, Aramudan, and we have the contact numbers, Vinod, Praveen and Aramudan. We have shared through WhatsApp as well as through email we have shared. I think we can conclude our session, I hope so. Yes. We have clarified all the doubts. Simon, if you want to conclude any concluding remarks, you can go ahead.
No, sir, that's all.
Okay. And we thank on Department of School Education, those who have participated in this webinar. And tomorrow we will be having one-day webinar that will be taken by Simon. And one more important seminar is going to be conducted in the morning session about child psychology. It is very, very interesting. Nearly 2,000 teachers have shown their interest for this child psychology. A renowned counselor from Bangalore, he will join directly from Bangalore for this video conferencing, as well as we will be live streaming the program, and your queries have already been collected. We have compiled all your queries, whatever queries you have raised for child psychology, that will be addressed by the renowned personality from Bangalore. The counselor will be presenting you tomorrow. And we thank one and all for joining this meeting. Thank you so much.